I'm gonna show you the #1 hack to help you avoid the friend zone so you can flip the tables on these bitches. Because there's too many dudes out here taking big fat fucking L's to the face. And that's not where you wanna be. Hell, I don't wanna be there, and I'm sure you don't wanna be there. So all that and more coming up next. This is Jen with SeductionUnleashed.com, help you unleash your best with women and beyond. And if it's your first time to this channel and you're interested in dating, relationships, self-improvement, and motivational content, start now by hitting that subscribe and bell notification button so you can join that Unleashed notification game, bro, so you don't miss anything. So with that being said, gentlemen, let us begin. Okay, so what's the #1 hack? So avoiding that dreaded friend zone. Ready for the shit? Ready for that drum roll? Okay, here it goes. The #1 hack to avoiding that friend zone is to put this bitch in the friend zone first. I know, it's fucking diabolical. It's genius. I can't even begin to describe how genius this is. Consider this for a second. If you're a pretty girl, what are you used to guys doing? Always trying to get in your pants. Always trying to, get the pussy. So typically, if you're a pretty girl and you're around guys all the time, you're putting them in the friend zone. Or they're always trying to get sexual with you. So when you become that guy who's just like, you're giving her highs and you're giving her good energy, but then suddenly you put her in the friend zone first. For example, maybe you're talking to her and you're like, oh, hey, you're cute, you're adorable. You actually kind of remind me of my little cousin. It's kind of weird, actually. Yeah. Now, maybe not some clown shit like that. I'm a bit of a clown, so I'll say something like that. But when you take moments to just be like, oh, hey, you're cool, you'd make a nice friend, and you be the one to say that first, it takes their mind, and it's like throwing water on a fucking laptop. They just malfunction. Their brain, they can't even process it. They're like, what? I'm a hot girl. How can you not? Me, friend? What is that? Pretty girls are not used to being taken out of contention. They're not used to, being the ones competing. When you're the shit and then you suddenly out of nowhere, you say to her that, oh, you're gonna be a cool friend. So next time you're around a pretty girl that you like, instead of kissing up to her, put her in the friend zone. Trust me, I know this sounds unorthodox, but that's why it's so genius, because no one else is doing it. She ain't never gonna see that shit coming, bro. She's gonna be like, oh my God, he was so nice and cool, but then he said he only wanted to be my friend. I was like, what the fuck? I wanted to throw this pussy at you and then he friend zoned me. If there's anything better than getting a pretty girl, it's getting a pretty girl after putting her ego in check. When she gives you that look of, wow, who do you think you are? It feels good, especially when you're not a dude who's, what you would consider a really good looking dude or whatever the case, and you just give off that aura like you're the shit. And girls, they're very energetic, so they're gonna bite on it. They're gonna bite. Don't bitch out. But you ain't here for me. Ain't no snitches on this channel. This is Jen with SeductionUnleashed.com, and if you enjoyed that kick-ass video and you want to see more on dating, relationships, self-improvement, and motivational content, start now by hitting that button right there, that bitch right there, so you can join that Unleashed notification game, bro, so you don't miss anything. So with that being said, gentlemen, unleash your best, and until next time, remember, confidence is bred by competence. Peace.